फलको अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं जा रही हूँ साइमा की माइयों पे। ये मैंने ड्रेस पहना है गाड़ी का। कैसे लग रहा है कमेंट में ज़रूर बताना। पापा खान की चॉइस है, उसने लेके दिया था। तो ये मैंने ड्रेस पहना है। मैंने कहा आपको जल्दी जल्दी बता दूँ। ये कुर्ता गाड़ी का है, ट्राउज़र मेरे दूसरे सूट का है, बनारसी का सूट है उसका है, मैंने लगा लिया। दुपट्टा लाइट का है, मैंने उसका स्कार्फ बना दिया है। और ये जो है पर्स है ये अवेलेबल है इंस्टाग्राम पे। लड़की का नाम भूल गई हो, फिर बाद में बताती हूँ उसका। उसने मुझे गिफ्ट भेजा था। और अब जा रही हूँ साइमा के माइयों पे, तो चलो मिलते हैं। किसका ड्रेस है?
Mama gifted this to me.
Yeah, but which designer?
I have no idea. Sana Sabina or either Kari or something.
मुझे खुद याद नहीं
I don't know. And look at this one.
And ये मैंने बनाया। Come on, let me see.
Turn.
Oh.
Amaya had one as well.
और अमाया के लिए बनाया तो अमाया का बूट बन गया, वो नहीं जा रही है। चलो।
Okay, so let's go.
Let's go.
Masala, Nikah. I said salam already, but Mama don't go. So basically, it was a very straight path. And because of the amount of stress that people give Mum, get this, right? Some random guy. Some random guy wanted Mum to. Ya Allah. We'll leave that story, but anyway. He wanted Mama to write her Jaidad on his name. Okay? Yeah. There's a lot of colourful people in the world. Very colourful.
I only know him.
So, yeah, we're gonna go to this Mayo now. By the way, Emma, what is Mayo?
Mayo is like when...
I had one done as well, but I had no idea what the hell.
This is all Punjabi people.
Isn't it like Hindus though?
I don't know.
In Hinduism.
But Punjabi people does it, no Pathan. Pathan don't do Mayo, Pathan.
Oh, you sure? What? What?
What?
Pathans do Mayo now.
Is it?
Yeah. They have a whole Mayo.
Yeah, anyway, Pathan change a lot.
Yeah.
Pathan do loads of things even Bollywood movie can't do.
Yeah, so.
Pathan
But Mayo is fun. It is fun. It's fun. Like the orange stuff they put on there, right? Turmeric. Upton. It's fun. It is fun.
I don't know कि ये रस्म है, कि tradition है, कि culture है, कि मजहब है, कि क्या है। पर लोग माइयों करते हैं। माइयों में ये होता है कि लड़की को उपटन लगाते हैं, वो गोल्डन वाली चीज लगाते हैं, लड़की को ब्लेसिंग देते हैं। और
and also, you know, on Mayo time,
करते हैं।
on Mayo time, basically, I remember when I had mine done, right? And basically, they said no makeup, and I was like, what? I came in with just a little bit of like, I think it was mascara, and one of the aunties were like, no. Lip gloss or something, and they were like, no, you got to take it all off. So I took that off. So do you know what I did? Do you know, because I wanted to obviously look a little bit nice because I was seeing Iqbal there. So basically I got some chili, I put some chili on my lips, and I put some chili on my cheeks, and I looked so good.
Yeah, and Mayu, I will share you Mayu video with you inshallah.
I had really long hair as well, long black hair.
मेरे सारे फ्रेंड्स जो है वो पंजाबी हैं, and my friends always here for me. मेरी फैमिली तो नहीं, मेरे फ्रेंड्स मेरे लिए हर वक्त होते हैं। तो मैं उनकी सारी रस्में करती थी। जो रस्में वो करती थी, वो कहती थी माइयो है तो मैं कहती थी माइयो, वो कहती थी ढोलकी है तो मैं कहती थी ढोलकी है, वो कहती थी मेहंदी है तो मैं कहती थी।
you're not going to sleep, is it?
उनकी जो माएँ थी वो माएँ तो खैर नहीं, मेरी एक बेस्ट फ्रेंड की जो माँ थी, अल्लाह ताला उनको जन्नतुल फिरदौस में जगह दे, वो तो मेरे बच्चों के साथ, और एक उसकी सिस्टर थी सलामत आंटी, ये दोनों बहनें मेरे बच्चों के साथ ऐसी स्टेज पे बैठी होती थी जैसे नानी और दादी, नो सिस्टर्स।
Oh my God.
That's why जब से वो जमीला खाला फौत हुई है तो अब सलामत आंटी बेचारी कहती है बहुत बीमार है। और
that was the best friend, didn't it?
They were like, you know, argue a lot as well, but still they visit each other. And she was the youngest, and Salamat aunty was the eldest.
Oh, she was the youngest.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's why, you know.
But she was such a good lady. She was so nice.
She was copy of her daughter Naila. बिल्कुल नाइला जैसी थी वो, नाइला जैसी उसकी आते हैं, उसके भी वही आते हैं। सो मैं जब नाइला को देखती हूँ तो मुझे जमीला आंटी याद आती है, क्योंकि वो भी अपनी माँ की तरह हम्बल सी है। गुलनाज थोड़ी सी गुस्सीली भी है, थोड़ा सा जज्बाती भी है, लेकिन ये पठानों की तरह गर्म खून है उसका। लेकिन जो नाइला है वो बहुत ही हम्बल सा इंसान है, और उसकी माँ भी बिल्कुल ऐसी थी। उसकी माँ जो थी वो जमीला खाला।
You're fine, Amma. You're not hitting it. I don't know why.
लेकिन ये फुटपाथ पे कैसे लोग कैसे जाएंगे?
Why?
I need to leave some space.
No. Leave it.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, man. They'll go around.
कोई complain ना कर दे.
Oh well, who cares? Whichever. Let's go.
Okay.
You know, most of these people they go to my daughter's school.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see you inside.
See you inshallah. Just gonna fall. अच्छा बस अब उसने भी बस तोपना है ना, क्या मिलिया? I'm not stealing. रोजी, कैमरे की आंख तुम्हें देख रही है।
I don't know, Mom. Sorry. Right.
Malia da gat sar khode lare ka kana.
Mama said move your fat head, Malia.
Malia, churiya malama kharab ho.
Oh my goodness. Sorry, if you can get my face a second.
को अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं रेडी हूँ, बहुत ही प्यारा पिस्ता कलर का सूट पहना हुआ है, साथ में ये ऐसे बाल बनाए क्योंकि मैंने ज्वेलरी आज पहनी है और मैं जा रही हूँ इंशाल्लाह साइमा के निकाह पे। तो माइयो तो आपने देख ली, अब निकाह हो सकते थोड़ी सी रिकॉर्ड कर दूँ, पता नहीं, देखते हैं, माहौल को देख के फिर रिकॉर्ड करूँगी। तो आपको पूरा ड्रेस बाद में दिखाती हूँ, तो चले निकाह पे चलते हैं।
Your wali is your brother, Saima, and their two witnesses, Abdullah. Alhamdulillah, nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruhu wa nu'minu bihi wa natawakkalu alayhi wa na'udhu billahi min shururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. Man yahdihillahu fala mudilla lahu wa man yudlilhu fala hadiya lahu. ونشهد أن لا قبلتها نكحتها وقبلتها. I accept her as my wife. Just say like this. I accept her as my wife. Congratulations. Thank you. I think we're going to get them married.
Hi, Wendy.
आसिफ सोइंग, आसिम खिदमत कर रहे हो? Proper Islamic way lunch, isn't it? Islamic way nikah. وقوله سو نخكل يا سانا نكاذا كنا مزارة بس ما كروتي أخرى مونغا سونا هارد كو مليا ستاچي 10 دغكو wedding anniversary بيا بس دسي سيد. So Sid's supposed to make video every Saturday.
Wait, do I look good?
Where's my video then?
Wait, do I look good?
Good boy.
You always look good.
Oh, no, too much bright light, man. Okay, wait.
Check it everywhere.
Oh, no, this mustache looks like a caterpillar.
Huh?
Mustache looks like a caterpillar.
No. You look handsome. Guys, comment. My son is handsome or no? He say I don't look good.
I don't need your comments. All
Okay.
right?
Take it off on my jewelry and everything right here. This is the dupatta. Just the dupatta.
Guys, you guys maybe
And this is my dress. And I take off all my shoes. And I'm gonna take it off now. I hate
1 second.
But don't do it now.
to be in party dress. I'm gonna take it off now.
Can you
To
help
my
me?
life. Yeah.
Look
Yeah.
at this game.
To yourself and talk.
Nikah throwed my room everywhere.
Yes, he throwed. Throwed isn't a word.
He threw. He threw it.
Okay, so guys, but this is so bright. Why is it so bright? Wait a minute. Let me turn this down. Okay, that's more like it. So, I think I fixed your camera, yeah? What do I say to them?
You fixed it.
Don't have to go crazy.
I think I fixed it.
Don't.
Hi. What am I saying? What am I saying? It's too noisy, bro. I can't take it.
So I'm not wearing scarf, so that's why I'm not gonna show you my face. But look.
You wear a scarf on your face, really?
No, I mean my hair is
That's
showing.
mad, wearing a scarf on your face. Yeah.
Papa, Papa.
Come and go.
A big huggy to Papa. Papa.
Caleb!
Why should I?
Why shouldn't you? Why shouldn't you?
Why should you?
Allah.
Kids are all growing up.
Yeah, they're growing up. My God.
You biggest bum
The kids I saw like 3-4-year-old in the wedding, they're like all grown up. They all like, you know, 21, 22-year-old. And I say, oh my God. Like our kids are grown up now. You know, ask my son, Amar. I saw him 4-year-old. He was such a cute little boy. Now he's a, oh my God, he's 6 foot tall. I say, oh my God. Tell me, Shido, your daughter is growing as well.
My daughter is growing.
You have a board